Outstanding design defines the 2005 Saturn Vue. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.